Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I'm Gabby from Fox and Bunny Rise, and in today's video we're going to be making textured earrings. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing that we're going to do is cut up the clay, and we're going to roll it out before conditioning it in the pasta machine. And I will be using Atlas 150 that I absolutely love, and I'll let you watch the little time lapse of it. So we will be making two different earring styles. So the first one is going to have these small circles with a bit of glitter on, with a half circle that's going to be textured. So for the textured surface, we're going to use multiple different sandpaper grits, and we're going to just pat it down, roll it out, and I'm just patting the parts that I didn't quite like, and I'm going to repeat the process over and over again. So for the second design, I'm just going to repeat the process with the sanding paper, texture it, and I'm going to cut out two circles. So now we're just going to bake them in the oven at 110 degrees for 30 minutes. And after that, we're going to sand the edges so it's nice and smooth. And we're going to start applying the gloss on the smaller circles and adding some glitter, both fine glitter and chunky glitter. And I'm just going to go back and forth until I'm happy with the way they look. So after the gloss is dry, we're going to add some UV resin on them to make it nice and shiny, and we're going to cure it under UV light. So now I'm just going to stick the glittery circle on the textured half circle using Gorilla Gel glue. So we're going to use the same glue to glue the posts to the backs, and I usually sand both the post and the back of the earring just to ensure that the glue sticks. So now we're going to assemble the last design, which consists of a textured circle, this rhombohedral shaped metal, and this post that looks a bit like a flower, and it's really cute. So these cute earrings are going to be launching on our website at foxandbunnyrise.com on the 16th of July. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you next week. Bye bye!